guys, today we are going to be doing lasagna at home. Here are my ingredients we're going to be using. That is the lasagna plate. Okay, let me just call it a plate. It's made with flour. This is my chopped onions. This is my yogurt, my eggs, and you see my cheese. Okay, on tomato, sunflower oil. So let's get started. Today I'll show you how to do it. This is my first time trying lasagna at home. So I will be going now to add my blended meat in the pot, and let us start cooking. This is a pork meat. Feel free to use any meat of your choice. I'm using pork meat. You can use red meat, you can use cow meat, you can use whatever meat that is good for you. Okay, yeah, I will be going in with the chopped onions. I'll be going in with my chopped onions. Yeah, I will be adding all the onions I chopped, and I will go in with the spices. This is paprika powder, rosemary, salt, black pepper, turmeric, garlic powder, and cinnamon powder. I'll go in with this, and I will stir it. I will not add water. Make sure that it cooks very well. You don't need to add any liquid, any water in it. You can see that the meat I have is somehow blocked. So I will go ahead to defreeze it and allow it to cook a little bit before I can add other ingredients. I'll go ahead to cover it and allow it to cook with a low heat. So we'll go ahead to check how it is. You can see that it is cooking. Allow it to cook so that the ingredients can go inside the meat before you can add the tomatoes. I'll allow it to cook like 2 more minutes, so the meat, all of them will be done. I will cover it. So now I'll go ahead to mix the batter we are going to use. I'm using my yogurt. Feel free to use any 3.8 fats. I'll add it here. I'm going to use it to do the butter. I'll go ahead to add 2 eggs. If you can use only 1 egg, you can use only 1 egg. Depends on how you want it. Okay. So I want this spice. I want it to taste very nice because I don't have something like vegetable. I will be using this salad cream. I will be using a little bit to bring out the color. Okay. So I'll now go ahead to turn it. Turn it very well to run together. Okay, let's check our meat. As it's cooking, you can see now that the meat have cooked very well. We will go ahead to add our tomato. I'll be using the pizza tomato. Feel free to use any tomato of your choice. I'll be using pizza tomato. I'll be using 2 tins of pizza tomatoes. Okay, Yeah, because of water in it, I'll go ahead to use a little bit of paste one to make it thickening, so the water will be reduced. Okay, yeah, our lasagna recipe. So we allow the both now all to cook together, to rhyme together. Then we go ahead to also continue preparing the paste. Okay, yeah, I will stir it very nicely. You can go ahead to test it if it's tasty. Yeah, you can add a little bit of salt for taste. I add a little bit of salt for taste, and I stir it more to run together. So I will allow it now to cook like 2 to 3 minutes. Keep watching. So we continue preparing the paste. I will add a little bit paprika powder and a little pepper, white pepper. Yeah. You can also add garlic powder, a little bit, and cinnamon powder. Then you mix them together. Mix very well to rhyme together. So our butter is done. Set it aside and we go ahead to check. Oh, this is so good. It's smelling so good. Smells so good, guys. I love it. I love this sauce. Just to use it like this to eat your rice or spaghetti. Yeah, but this is for lasagna. This is for lasagna. So now I will off the stove and we're going to be preparing it now together. So keep watching. So our sauce is ready. We are going to be using look at this. This is 100% half grease. Okay, this is what we're going to be using. If you can get any one you like. So what we're going to do first now is to first of all add our tomato sauce, our lasagna sauce rather. Yeah, I just want to be using this to do it. Add it to fill this lasagna plate. I call it lasagna plate. So we add our cheese on top of the lasagna tomatoes. We fill it a little bit before we go ahead to add our plate. Okay, just follow it any way you want it, but I think this is the best way to fill this. This is the best way to fill it. I have a big form to use to do this, but I decided to use this small form. This is what I have to do this. So after filling I will go ahead also to add this. Guys, you know, I have forgotten to add our cream. So please don't forget, don't be faster, don't be too fast. I forgot to add my paste. So now I will go ahead to add it. You remember the paste we did before? You're not going to forget it. Just allow it to rest on top of the normal. When we add the plate, we have to add this before any other one. But I don't think it is bad anyway. It is not bad. So this is filled now. So I will go ahead to add the cheese. Let's add the cheese. Let's add the cheese. Do it in any way that is pleases you. Okay, we added the cheese now, and I will add the plate. Add the plate. Add the plate. Don't mind me, I call it plate. I call it plate. Don't mind me, because it looks like plate. Yeah, so we add it. Then we are going to add a little bit of tomato sauce. A little bit of tomato sauce. A little bit of tomato sauce. This is, and then just to decorate it, then we go ahead to add our queso. So I have two different types of queso here. I use the mild nosy and adame. So I will go ahead to add the cheese on top. So after adding the cheese, just cover it and put it in your oven to bake. Okay, so we go ahead to cover it with our foil. Cover it with our foil before we can add it. If you did not cover it, it will get burnt, and the down one will not, downside will not cook. So I go ahead to add it in the oven. Yeah, you can see it is now in the oven. I will go ahead to do the rest. So you can see the first one is cooking very nice. It's cooking very nice, and we feel it too much. Yeah, next time if you are trying it, don't feel it too much. Okay, you can see it's cooking. Then we add the last one here. So after baking for 45 minutes, we are going to remove the foil. Oh, the foil. Look, it looks so good. I'm going to remove the foil and allow it to stay. You're going to add it more in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes or thereabouts. Then we bring it out and look at how it is. Let's allow it to dry a little bit without foil. Wow, our lasagna is done. Let's bring it out and see the outcome, guys. So guys, this is the outcome of our lasagna. This is the outcome. Let's try it, guys. Let's see. Oh, this is good. See the outcome, guys. That is so yummy. For the first time doing this, and I got this like this. This is so awesome, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and also let me know what you think about it. Look at, so yummy, guys. I love it. So tasty, guys. I love it so much.